Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I have a couple of tiles I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna do a bloom today. Probably maybe two I'll do. I'm gonna use my reds and my golds and my Naples yellow that I did a swipe with. I just wanna see what a bloom would look like. All right, so I've got some reds. This one is a Mater Lake, Amsterdam. And then the other one is Medium Red by Amsterdam. I also have some Naples Yellow. Okay, so here's my Naples Yellow. It's opaque, so I'm going to put it down first. And I'll put this red down. I'm going to put a little bit of copper too. Artist Loft copper. I'll put the Mater Lake by Amsterdam next. All my recipes for the bloom technique are in the description under the video. So have a look. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. Helps my channel grow so I can bring you more videos. Now I'm just debating. I might put a little bit of the yellow on the top because it's opaque just a little bit. And I think I'm going to use white cell activator today. Usually I use black. Give it a good stir. This is Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Titanium White. Use my mini blower. Let the middle come back. That's pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to spin it now. Get this inside off. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this is slippery. Better put a little bit of paint under there, stick it down. Well, it's just one more spin, I think, and this might come off. Okay, it's not moving anymore. One more spin. Be careful. Just gonna put some paint here. Okay. All right. Let's do another one just to see what the difference would be. I'll move this one out of the way. All right, this is how they look together. This is the thicker paint, and then I thinned it down a bit, and it's more lacing. The cells stay more unified when it's a thicker paint. They're both pretty. I like them a lot. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. The dry result will be at the end. Hi everybody. So here's my dry tiles. Middle's a little wet still, but they're doing well. Red and gold is really pretty. Thanks for watching and have a good day.